Hey there, I just recently learned that by the second Friday in the new year, people begin to abandon all hopes of completing their goals, and they just abandon the resolutions that they created. Does that sound like you? If so, I need your help in finding out why. Why is it that we're so excited to do something new, to be somewhere new, and to make different decisions, and yet 2 weeks into the new year, we abandon them? Is it because you are afraid of success? Is it because you think that if you do succeed, you'll have to hold on to it? Do you think it's too much pressure? Whatever it is, I believe that you can do whatever it is you want if you put your mind to it. Opportunity stalks preparation. So I want you to do me a favor and go to my blog, my December blog that's on my website, RitaRicks.com, and read Reclaiming Your Time by Owning Your Reality. Because your time is your time and you create your reality. More importantly, I need you to make sure that you understand that at the end of the day, you get what you expect. So if you think that you're not going to succeed, you're not. I just need you to think about this new year differently. Continue to follow me on YouTube, follow me on Facebook, and let's make this year work. Everybody's saying let's thrive in 25. Why not you? Take care.